Hey, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw leaves blowing in the wind. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you're going to follow along with me. You got a marker or something to draw with, some paper. Now, because I'm using a marker, I have more than one sheet of paper so that my marks don't bleed through the one sheet and get onto the table. I also have colored pencils to color our drawing at the very end. Now, the fun part about this lesson is you can use your creativity to make yours look a lot different than mine. You can make your leaves blowing completely different. Try not to copy my drawing exactly, just use it as inspiration to complete yours. Now, the first part of this lesson, we're just going to draw the stems, and this is to get the movement or the direction of the wind blowing the leaves through our paper. So we're going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw some dashed lines through the page. So some of the stems can be small like this, and some of them can be bigger. Now I'm going to do a little swirl right here where the leaves come around and then do this little loop, and then they're going to keep blowing across the page. And maybe we could do one more loop right at the end, and then they're going to blow off the page over here on the right side. Now I'm going to come back in here and we're going to add some smaller filler leaves off to the side. Now if you want, you can actually pause the video right now to complete this step. So you can add a lot of leaves or you can draw less. Just use your creativity to complete your drawing. Now that we have all of the stems in there, you can see the wind blowing through our drawing. Next, we're going to draw a few different styles of leaves. So I'm going to show you one first. We're just going to pick this one right here, and I'm going to draw two branches or two little veins that are coming off right in the middle. And then we're going to draw two more that come out that are smaller towards the tip of the leaf. Now this part down here is the stem, and then this is where the leaf will be. Now let's draw the outside of the leaf. And I'm going to just draw a bunch of U's that connect around the leaf. That's pretty simple, isn't it? And you can see how it's bending and flowing with the wind. Okay, now let's draw another style. This one's going to be really simple too. Let's do this big one right here. Now I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to add two large veins in the middle, and then we can draw two smaller ones towards the tip of our leaf. All right, now instead of drawing a bunch of U's, let's just draw a curve that comes out like this, and then we'll draw a curve that comes back and completes the other side. That's pretty simple too, right? Let's do two more different styles of leaf. This one, let's do more of a maple leaf. We're going to draw two really big stems that come out, or veins that come out. And then we're going to leave the two off of the end. So we're also going to use these little bumps like this. Now I think this is called a maple leaf. So we're going to come out, and we'll come back in, and then we're going to go out this direction. This one's a lot trickier. And come back in, and then we're going to go back out, and then connect back in. Let's draw an oak leaf. So we're going to draw more veins that come out on each side, just like we've done with all the other ones. And now this one's going to be curved. So we're going to curve out, back in, back out, and we're just going to trace around those veins on the leaf. There we go. That's really easy too. I'll leave a link where you can head over where I show you in more detail how to draw different leaves. But for this lesson, we're just going to keep it really simple, and we're going to draw these four leaves, but we're going to mix them up on all these different stems. Now this part I'm going to fast forward, but at the end you guys can pause it and you can use my drawing as inspiration to complete yours. Now another fun way to draw a leaf is to actually only draw half of it. This way it looks like you're looking at the side view of the leaf. So I'm just going to draw two stems that come out on the side, and then I'm going to trace around it. So it looks like an oak leaf, and there it looks like it's blowing and curving into the wind. It looks really cool. Now you guys can pause the video right now to match the same kind of style that I've done, but just use it as inspiration to complete your drawings. All right, now we still need to color our drawings to make them look even better. I'm gonna fast forward it one more time, but at the end you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. All right, we did it. We finished coloring our leaves and it looks so much better colored in. I hope you're gonna take the time to pause the video and color each of your leaves also. Now, some of them I colored solid, like a solid yellow or a solid red, but a lot of them I also mixed the colors and blended them together, like red and yellow, even purple and red, green and orange. It's a lot of fun coloring leaves. I used brown, yellow, green, red, purple, and orange. The purple ones are probably my favorite. Also, don't forget to add a background. Your drawings will look even cooler after you've added trees, maybe even a sky or a sunset. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.